euro dollar 113.56, dollar index 96.39, Japanese yen, which clocked 111 plus, 111.20 yesterday, is at 110.82. Swiss franc is at 1,006. The pound has had a big move higher, last at 131.53. The Australian dollar 0.7154. Indian rupee is weaker. Last time I looked, 71.25. South Korean won 11.1863. Brazilian real 375.25. Egyptian pound 17.546. And the rand, look at that, 13.8542. Having absolutely tanked in the early hours, in the early moments of Tito Mbowene's budget speech. Dollar index, 1 year chart. We're churning around here. We could retreat a little bit more, but I think we're poised to move up again. Euro dollar getting dragged a little bit higher by sterling, last at 113.56. We've been, look at this chart, we've been here for quite a while between 114, 115 and 112, but eventually I think we're going to break down below 112 and head towards 106. My article over the weekend was about currency puzzles and the currency market, and I said about it, it remains the most liquid market of all in the world, and something equivalent to the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench, which is the deepest known point in the Earth's oceans. I said that within the 24-hour cycle, the market exhibits liquidity peaks and troughs, and we have witnessed spectacular and exponential moves, typically in the early hours when most of the world is in the land of nod and liquidity is at its lowest. I said wizards and gremlins stalk the night. Talking about the petrodollar and then the African currency markets as well, touched on the rand, Zimbabwe. The introduction of a Zim dollar will be just in name, but the RTGS dollar is essentially the Zim dollar. Sudanese pound being in free fall, Nigeria's two-tier FX regime, and I was citing Egypt and Kenya as positive standouts. This is a selection of returns over the last 3 months for African currencies, including the carry. Commodity markets, Trump did it again with his financial warfare and Twitter strategies. He moved the oil market. Brent closed down about 4%, WTI about the same. This is a chart from J.S. Blokland of Brent. This is a chart of WTI crude from T Commodity. Trump's tweet slammed it back into the existing range.